Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap on Get Started. Click OK, tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard, click OK again, and finally tap Input Options. Over here you need to select LED keyboard one more time. Now you can pick theme that you like the best, for example that one, and after watching the ad, close it. All you need to do from here is tap on Download Theme. So now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!